Welcome to the Identity Store. Today we're going to be looking at making doorstops. One of the reasons for doing that is it's a great way to use up all your small pieces of scrap leather. They provide quite a nice weighty filler and it's just a good way of using them up. It's always worth keeping a bag handy of leather scraps. You never know when you might want something to test out a dye or a finish, or I quite often will use them under the anvil of my rotary punch to get a clean cut through when I'm making holes. You can see here this has got kind of a nice weight to it, but a lot of the time these are ones I can't really do a lot more with. This one here is using a cylinder shape, so you'll need two circles. The base will always need to be a firmer leather, so in this example I've used veg tan and the soft calf leather from the website. To make your cylinder, once you've got a circle to cut round, there's ways to find the circumference. The easiest thing, as always, is to type it into Google to find a circumference calculator, and if you measure across and get your diameter, type that in the calculator and it will tell you the circumference, and you can use that to make your rectangular piece to make the tube. This one here is a different shape that I've been working on. It has more of a triangle side, so two triangles, sort of oblong, a kind of rectangle piece at the front and then a square base. And I'll put the pattern for this up on the website. So this one I quite like as a modification. I can use it to kind of keep it open. I can store my leather scraps in there. I can still root around in them if I need a little bit of a fertile to see what I might need for something else, for another project. I can keep pressing them down, and once it's finished I can simply sew or rivet down that top piece and I've got my nice weighty doorstop. I'm sure you'll come up with some more interesting ideas than those, but just a good project to do to use up scrap leathers, and something that's very practical and useful as well.